Where are our plumbers and DIYers? Come along and let's explore the most effective and creating plumbing hacks to make your job a breeze. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Fix the leaky faucet in a creative way by replacing the water pipe with the rubber seal from a syringe. Galvanized pipes are wrapped in plastic tubes to protect them from carbonization. Anchor a new toilet flange and use putty to keep a wax ring in the right position. The wax ring will fix all the gaps and create a sealed layer. Many plumbers often face some problems when installing a new faucet, so here's a handy tip to keep in mind. The ice cubes will cool and prevent the rubber seal from warping or leaking when installing the shower handle. Placing 40-degree flame to the copper tube and keeping it away from sensitive areas to reduce the firing risk of nearby parts. This tool is made for all sewer experts. You can operate it easily with the foot pedal, giving you more time to handle any unexpected curves. Here's how to install a T-junction without sawing. Perhaps this is the tool that belongs to the old but gold list. Using the heat gun is not a bad idea to remove the pipe joint. Or just heating the pipe may be the easier way. A must-have material for welding that prevents thermal conductivity on any surface and can be reused 100%. If you don't have a burn guard, save yourself by this trick. A great upgrade for water pipes to prevent flooding while you are working. When installing a smart float valve, we need to choose a balanced position to ensure the float remains perpendicular to the ground. This step is crucial to maintain accurate water level determination in the tank. The Mega Press tool has never let us down. Joining commercial steel pipes is now easier and quicker than ever before. Normally, copper pipe fittings come with stickers. You'll need to remove them. Heat the pipe with the plumber's torch, then apply a bit of flux and the sticker will disappear. Using lasers to determine the reference positions of pipes makes installing plumbing systems easier than ever. How to install the pipe easily? The answer is using a lubricant. A flexible drainage tool and the power are all you need to remove any dirt or other obstructions on the pipeline.
To ensure that the fitting is correctly installed, marking it with a line will give you the most visual view. To remove old galvanized nipples, the best way is to cut them about 1 inch away from the threads, then make a cut on top to completely remove them. To install the shower valve from behind the wall, the first step is to determine the position of the valve. Then, create grooves by using a special tools. And of course, drill and screw it to secure the water pipe firmly. Pressure-reducing valves are used to control and decrease water pressure within pipes. If a valve is damaged, it can lead to low pressure issues and inefficient water usage. The copper pipe joints are welded tightly to ensure no water leaks out. Most materials expand when temperatures are increased and contract when temperatures are decreased. That's why expansion joints will be the best solution to control cracking situations effectively. This special wrench can help you save the day in a tough situation, such as removing a broken drain pipe. Here is how to install a new hose bit.
When the copper pipe is leaking, the first thing to do is removing and replacing it. With the plumber's skills and copper welding methods, no errors are made during the work. This is one of the easiest ways to swap a PVC flange.
Install a glass washer for the home bar faucet to clean the residue of milk bottles and glass cups quickly.
A frozen tubular P-trap is replaced quickly.
This special faucet has dripping issues and needs to be removed to find out the cause. Fortunately, the problem only stems from the loose retaining nut. The solution is to lubricate with grease and reinstall the seal. PVC pipes can become brittle and crack when exposed to low temperatures or freezing. Because of its good flexibility and cold resistance, PEX pipes have convinced many professional plumbers to use them as replacements.
Replacing old shower drains and P-traps requires a lot of skills, because it is difficult to adjust them properly with the old connections and the brittle pipes.
What causes slow flushing in the toilet? It could be due to a clogged water restrictor. Although this part is designed to reduce the water flow being flushed, improper installation can lead to slow flushing. The first step in repairing a copper pipe is to remove any burrs on the surface, then apply a little flux throughout the area. Finally, carefully install the quick repair patch before soldering with medium heat. This is how this plumber removes the blank plug of the radiator. What about you? If your shower water isn't hot enough, the temperature valve may have malfunctioned. To optimize it, Adjust the orange clip counterclockwise for this type of valve so you can enjoy the warm water. For this valve, an Allen wrench is enough. Drill a hole about 20 millimeters after identifying the position to install the radiator on the wall. Most city water-supplied homes are equipped with a water pressure regulator. If this regulator works poorly, it can lead to sudden drops or dangerously high water pressure. Therefore, timely intervention is needed to keep the water pressure in your house at a safe level. If the garbage disposal is not working, you need to check the reset button right away. First, press the red reset button at the bottom until you hear it pop out. Then, at a nearby position, move the Allen wrench a quarter inch a bit to clear the jam. Box spanner is perfect to slide over the allow to stop it moving and minimal marking. Let me know how you hold yours. An old ball valve that is broken can affect some features of the pool, so you need to prepare all the appropriate tools and knowledge for repairing. Simply bend at a 90-degree angle on both parts of the T-joint. These two-piece designs meet all your needs for 22mm and 15mm pipe lagging. Easy steps to get those spa jets back in action. A wrench is used to remove and install screws or nozzles in the pool system. In addition, changing the pressure and flow direction is easily managed. The Y-shaped drain pipe of the air conditioner is cracked due to freezing. Utilize the old parts and simply replace the Y-shaped pipe to save costs. Use a multi-tool with a metal cutting blade to cut the metal part before replacing the new sink strainer. Then, apply a strip of putty around to ensure tightness and prevent leakage. A garden bib often has to deal with rain, sun, wind, or cold. This can lead to damage or corrosion over time. If the insert on the shutoff valve is damaged, water can leak through the valve when the dishwasher is not in operation. You need to replace it before your house receives a huge water bill. Angle stop, also known as angle valve, is a type of water shutoff valve used in the plumbing system. This valve has two connections. One end is connected to the water supply pipe, and the other is connected to the water pipe to the fixture. Because there is only a pool and no spa, the plumber only needs to install the pump. The additional features of the pump help control pool lights with the same color as the heater. When you need to replace or improve the plumbing system, a hole saw will meet your needs to create accurate holes.
Do these water pipe tips make your daily work easier? Let's share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next videos.